Yo guys, thank you for watching to this quick update once again here. Today on the channel, I will be doing a live stream later on today, but first I will be starting up with a quick update on the market. Of course, I don't have a lot of time and that's the reason why we are making this quick update. But I quickly want to discuss the things that I'm right now seeing in the market. So, if you're enjoying these quick updates, make sure to right away smash up these likes here. Make sure to leave a comment down here. And also, we'll be seeing you, of course, later on today in the live stream. But yeah, let's discuss Bitcoin. Of course, we first were forming this symmetrical triangle on Bitcoin, but we were seeing a breakdown playing out here. And we were already anticipating a breakout and also discussed in the streams. If you are watching the channel for already a longer period of time, you can see if I do this line to the left side, you can see we had a perfect touch of this level. We perfectly touched it. And since touching this level, of course, it was a very good short opportunity that we were also taking. We were going lower. So yesterday evening, of course, we were seeing Bitcoin dropping off even more. We will be going into the lower time frames in a second, but you can see that Bitcoin also reached our price target of the symmetrical triangle here. So that is also a reason why I do believe that we can see in the immediate short term a minor move to the upside before once again probably seeing another correction coming in here. And it's also already Thursday. Tomorrow it's Friday. The CME will be expiring. By then, of course, after this weekend is closing, on the next Monday, we will be looking for very strong long opportunities here to sit on them for a longer period of time, of course. But let's discuss, of course, some more things, because you can see Bitcoin breaking down of the symmetrical triangle, reaching our price target. So that's already nice. So in that scenario, we can see that we are already done with the dump in immediate short term. So, and also a scenario that we can be looking at, guys, is the parallel channel scenario. This scenario is very interesting in my opinion, because in this scenario we can see that we are already touching this lower level of the parallel channel, and that is making me feel very exciting, of course, because that is also indicating that we're probably going to move to the top side of the parallel channel, because you can see each and every time once we're touching these lower levels of the parallel channel, you can see a move up getting created, and you can already see on the 4-hourly R side, we're getting pretty oversold already. We're also forming a bullish divergence on the 4-hour, and this is an extremely big thing here, and this can definitely push the price a little bit higher for Bitcoin on the 4-hourly. So you can see we are forming a lower high in the RSI, a lower high in the price chart. But what you can see here is that we are forming a higher low in the 4-hourly RSI chart. So the momentum is more shifting to the upside, where the price is still reversing to the lower sides here. And this is making me feel very exciting, because this is showing us that we are probably going to see some kind of a divergence, what can definitely push the price a little bit higher once again for Bitcoin. So make sure, if you're already are staying on the sidelines right now, make sure to accumulate this. Make sure to accumulate some Bitcoin, because I will be saying this all day long here, because I cannot stress enough about it. I do want to see you guys, of course, also benefiting from this. So 4-hourly bullish divergence is very, very strong in my opinion. You have a lot of time to anticipate it, but in my opinion, we're going to see in these next, let's say 8 to 12 hours, we're probably going to see a volatility to the upside getting created at least towards the 54k here. 54k is a likely target to reach for Bitcoin, and once touching that level, yeah, maybe we can be looking to already take some profits on here, because I'm in a very low leverage trade here, low quantity, but it's likely to see a push to the upside getting created, especially once forming a bullish divergence. So this is a thing that I do want to keep you guys notified from. And so if you watched the stream of yesterday as well here, you know that we were talking a lot about these divergences on the 15-minute, because the divergences on the 15-minute are usually working pretty good in my opinion. So what you were yesterday seeing here, because we stopped the stream approximately over here and we still had another drop-off, of course pretty significant drop-off once again, but then we formed even a lower low in the RSI. So we formed this low over here, and then we formed another lower low, but still created a high low in the RSI. So there was also a bullish divergence what we were seeing play out, and there was also the volatility that we were creating after that. So we were going up a little bit after that. But at the immediate short term, of course, on the lower time frames, we were already just sitting at normal territory. And once again, we can see a possible another leg down getting created, but I don't think it's likely. And the reason why I'm saying this is because I already look at this bullish divergence on the 4-hourly. I already look at this parallel channel scenario. And I mean, there are so many things coming together, okay? You also have the symmetrical triangle already meeting the price target. In my opinion, we are right now done with this immediate short dump. Probably we can still go lower here, but it will be only holding us up better and better once we're falling further and further. So guys, make sure to already, in my opinion, what you can already do here is open very minor leverage swing trade positions, because I'm also trying to build a swing trade position. But if we're going to fall further, if we're going to fall further, I will be adding more to my position. So we will be averaging in on a very nice average price. But in the immediate short term, I definitely think that we can see a bounce to the upside getting created. Let's see towards the 54K is a very likely target that we can be heading towards. So make sure to keep an eye out on the channel. Later on today, I will be doing a live stream, of course. So if you are enjoying these videos, if you're enjoying these script updates, let me know real quickly. Of course, it was a very short video. But guys, thank you so much for watching here. Make sure to also subscribe to the channel. And I will see you later today in the live stream, guys. Peace out.